Welcome all. Okay, today we are going to create a chair. Okay, let's go. First we go to line tool, select line tool, come to right view, here like this, right first. Okay, now I want to offset this curve. Select this one, go tools, this one offset curve. Offset distance 1 millimeter. This one offset, okay. Now I want to join this one also. I want to bend this curve to this blend curve. Select this curve, select. Okay, this one also select. So okay, I want to this edges also want to fillet. Select this one. Radius 1, enter. So this one. Okay, now I want to extrude this one. So first I want to join. Now I want to extrude. This command select. Both side, one side have 5. Okay. Select. Now I want to create this one. Select polyline. Here. Okay. I want to mirror this one. Okay. Now I want to create line here. This okay. Now I want to fillet this one. To fillet across this one, this side. Okay. Now I want to pipe this command. So I 0.5 radius. Okay, enter. Okay. Now I move here like this. A little bit up and rotate like this. Okay. Now I don't